Hello students, welcome to online science class. Subject Science, grade 3. Today we are going to enter into a new lesson. Unit 2, Water. In today's session we are going to see two topics. The first topic we are going to see is water, a primary source of life. Second topic, potable water. Hi dears, how are you? Hope you are all fine and good. And today we are going to see a new topic, water, a primary source of life. Water, it is a essential thing in our life. Am I right? Yeah, it is a basic need of our life. Without water, we can't survive in this world. So, water is one of the most important resource on the earth. Am I right? Yeah, children. So, all the living things, not only the human beings, all the living things in the world need water to survive. That include from the small organisms to animals, everything need a water to survive. So, people use a water for various purposes like cleaning, washing, drinking and many things. Am I right? So, rain is one of the main sources of water, and it is also a purest form of water. Do you have any doubt on this, children? Yeah, once again we can see water, it is a important source on the earth. All the living things in the world need water to survive, and people use a various purpose. Am I right? Use a water for various purposes. And what is the main source of water, ma? Yeah, it is a rain. Rain is the main source of water, and also it is a purest form of water. Okay, ma? The next thing, I have to share two interesting facts with you, ma. The first one, a camel can drink 60 to 100 liters of water at a time. What, ma? At a time. Okay, and live without water for several days. How many liters did camel drink, ma? Yeah, 60 to 100 liters of water it drinks at a time. Okay, ma? So, the next fact is World Water Day. When is the World Water Day observed, ma? Think, children. Yeah, 22nd March we are observing a World Water Day. Okay. So, here, yeah, with this topic what we have to understand, water is the main source of life. So, without water we cannot survive. Am I right, ma? So, here the second topic we are going to see is potable water. Potable water, it is nothing but drinking water. Okay. So, drinking water is very less, ma. Okay. For example, you can take if 100% of water if you take means 97% of water is not eligible for drinking. Only 3% of water is eligible for drinking water. So, see the average. See the average, ma. That's what we are saying. We should save water. Okay, we should save water not only for us, for our future also. Okay, ma. So, potable water is nothing but it is also known as drinking water. Potable water is a water that is used to drink, and it is also useful for the food preparation. Okay, potable water we will use for a drinking purpose and also for a food preparation. So, how the potable water should be? Yeah, there are some certain conditions. Okay, so let's see one by one. The first one is it should be free from dangerous chemicals. Chemicals is nothing but which cause harm to human beings. Okay, ma? So, normally chlorine is one of the main chemical used in the drinking water. Am I right? So, like that, there should not be any dangerous chemical which affect the peoples. Okay, ma? The second thing, it should be transparent. Okay. So, you can compare the dirty water, dirt water. So, you can see the water in the pond, you can see the water in the sea. How it look like, ma? It's look like what you can say, some dirt will be present in that type of water, right? But if it is present in the drinking water, can we drink that? No, right? So that's what the water should be transparent. Okay, so the third thing is odorless and colorless. Odorless is nothing but it should not be contain any smell. Okay, and colorless, it should not contain any color. This is the third characteristics of potable water. And the fourth one, it should be free from bacteria which cause disease. Usually the water contain lots of microorganisms. Okay, some of the microorganisms present in the water is good for health, and some of the microorganisms present in the water is bad for health. So there should not be any harmful microorganism that should present in the water. Okay ma? So the next subtopic we can say is different sources of drinking water. Yeah, water is available in many natural sources. Water is available everywhere. Okay, if you take a globe, what you can say, in the three what you can say, in 4 parts, only 1 part is a land and the 3 parts is covered by a sea. Am I right? So that's what water is available in the natural sources, but not all the water sources are suitable for drinking. We cannot drink a sea water or river water, pond water like that, no ma. So that's what. Okay, our water resources is present everywhere, but not all the water is used for a drinking purposes. Okay, so here water should be boiled to kill the germs in it. Okay ma. So before drinking a water, even it is a drinking water, we should boil the water. Okay ma. Then only we should consume it. Okay, then only it is suitable for drinking. Okay ma. Here we can see a few sources of water. Some of them are rain, well, river, lake and stream. So what are the few sources of water ma? It is a rain, well, river, lake and stream. Do you have any doubt up to this ma? Yeah, let us conclude all the topic in a short way. Okay ma? So the first thing we have seen is water. It is a primary source of life. Without water we cannot survive. Okay ma? So the second thing we have seen is potable water. Potable water is nothing but it is a drinking water, and it should contain some characteristics which is eligible for drinking water. Okay ma? So the third topic we have seen is different source of drinking water. There is water is available everywhere, but not all the water is used for a drinking purposes. Some of the water is used for drinking purposes, and we also seen some sources of water. Do you have any doubt up to this, children? Good. Here is your homework, children. So I have given one question here. You have to think and answer. Okay. Why is water known as primary source of life? Write some points of your own. Okay, children? Yeah. Thank you for your patient listening. Have a good day. Bye, children.